What do you transform into? Wait. Have you not seen the movie? Yes, I've seen the movie. He tried to kill Optimus Prime. I was going to ask you to do him. Him. What? Him. What? Him. What about him? Him. Did you not see him in the movie? Yes, you already asked me that on the intro. Okay. How do I transform him? 2 hours later. I've not got anywhere. Can you help me? No, because it's your channel this time. Oh, could I have started it how I like? Yes, you could have, but I didn't tell you that. Okay, I'll have to do it then. Minion, watch and learn. For the next one, you're doing it. Easy. Let's just hold it here. Press them 2 together. No. And there he is. All transformed. Seriously.